Hi everyone, this is Audra Moore with the National Weather Service in Pocatello, Idaho with your weather hazard briefing for Tuesday, September 13th. We got changes we've been talking about for the last few days finally making their way into the area in the form of some showers, thunderstorms, and much cooler temperatures compared to where we've been for the last few days, and of course where we started off the month with record-breaking highs for much of the area. So we still do have a couple of air quality concerns for a few of our counties, mainly those right around some of those largest fires up near Salmon, of course, near the Moose Fire. And we will see improvements with that, though, because of the showers and thunderstorms that we've got coming through the area today. So that air quality advisory is set to expire at about 3 o'clock Tuesday afternoon. So those big changes we've been talking about for the past several days are arriving today. Showers and even a few thunderstorms basically will be on and off through today, Wednesday, Thursday, and even once we get to Friday and the weekend, we're not totally done with showers and thunderstorms. We'll talk a little bit more about that as we go through the week. So we're going to kind of focus on today, Wednesday, and Thursday. But we've got plenty of rain chances coming up throughout the week ahead, so that is good news, especially for those fighting fires. We'll take any moisture we can get across much of the area due to how dry it is. But keep in mind, with that potential for showers and thunderstorms, we will have to watch for any possible debris flows or flash flooding, especially across some of those wildfire burn scars. Afternoon highs are going to be much closer to average for this time of the year, which for many of us falls around the mid-70s, give or take a few degrees. So this actually is satellite from yesterday, late morning and early afternoon. I want to show this as it shows those remnants of Tropical Storm K as they were moving northward into parts of Nevada. But here is where that is now. This is a still frame image. It is pretty much central into northeastern Nevada. This is going to continue lifting northward. That means we are right in the bullseye for more moisture to work its way into the area thanks to those remnants. Again, clouds already moving into the area along with a few showers this morning. We're going to continue to see that increasing in coverage and intensity as we go throughout the day, especially today. And so showers and thunderstorms basically increasing from west to east across most of Idaho today. We get into Wednesday, we will probably see a little bit of a break in some of the activity here and there. So Wednesday, not quite as widespread for everyone. Still going to see some showers and thunderstorms, though. Thursday, that moisture looks a little bit more widespread. So today and Thursday, and a few upcoming days here, probably the best chances to see showers and thunderstorms. Friday, kind of like Wednesday, we'll likely see some breaks here and there before more moisture moves back in on Saturday. So Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday kind of highlighted for the most widespread coverage for us. Wednesday and Friday, we'll still see some showers and thunderstorms. Some of those might just be a little more scattered to isolated instead of widespread. So that's what we've got coming over the next couple of days. Again, that reminder, the air quality advisory is still in effect for these gray shaded counties. Actually goes through Tuesday afternoon at 3 p.m. Air quality still impacted a lot of us in that moderate. Starting to see some improvements, though, and with the rain coming through, that will actually help clear the air a little bit, too. So that's why we're expecting those advisories to be allowed to expire as we get into Tuesday afternoon here. So what might radar look like as we kind of get into Tuesday afternoon and early evening? Well, we've already got a few showers around out there this morning, but like I mentioned, they will start to increase in intensity and coverage from west to east as we get into the afternoon. So this, as we go from noon to 1 to 2 to 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, even into 6 o'clock, we're going to continue to see those showers and thunderstorms across the area. Again, it's not exactly what we'll be seeing, but this gives you a general idea of where we'll see some of those showers and thunderstorms on and off throughout the day. And that will even continue, though, as we go through tonight and into Wednesday. We are in an excessive rainfall outlook. Most of, well, actually a good portion of south central, central, and eastern Idaho, at least within the marginal risk. Potential for some flooding, about a 5%. We are in that marginal risk there. That is for today, Tuesday. We get into Wednesday, less of the area is included in that, But then we get to Thursday, that area expands once again for pretty much all of central and eastern Idaho. So again, we will be watching for the potential for some flash flooding, especially in some of those wildfire burn areas and some debris flows from that. As a reminder, if you ever come across any roads that have water over them, turn around, don't drown. And we are going to see some decent rainfall amounts. This is rainfall totals estimated as we go through Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So ending at midnight Thursday / very early Friday morning. Would not be surprising the farther south, southeast, and east you are to see close to 3/4 of an inch to even an inch. Even up to our north into parts of the central mountains. Some very beneficial rain headed their way. Could be anywhere from about 1/4 of an inch to even 1/2 an inch in some spots. So you can see some measurable rainfall for all of us expected. And this doesn't even encompass the entire event because we are going to see another system come through and bring some more chances for rain and even some storms Friday, Saturday, even into the weekend, and potentially even into early next week. So a lot more moisture headed our way. But with that, also expecting some much cooler temperatures compared to where we have been, at least as of late. So a lot of us in the lower elevations likely seeing highs for Tuesday afternoon today in the low to mid 70s. Some of the higher elevations falling into the 60s. Wednesday, we likely warm up a few degrees just because some of that rain will be a bit more few and far between, or at least some more isolated, scattered activity instead of widespread. So that will allow us to warm up slightly, but still mainly hanging out in the 70s. With more widespread rain returning to the area on Thursday, we can expect high temperatures to fall a bit more. In fact, more of us will likely see highs in the 60s and low to mid 70s. So again, these temperatures very close to average or even slightly below it for this time of the year, with most of our average highs now in those low to mid 70s. So we are still seeing some impacts to air quality. That advisory, though, expected to expire as we get into Tuesday afternoon. Those changes we've been talking about are arriving today. More showers and thunderstorms on and off throughout today, Wednesday, Thursday, and at times even continuing Friday and into the weekend. But keep in mind, we'll be watching out for some localized flash flooding and temperatures much cooler than where they've been. So a little bit of a taste of fall for us if you have been looking forward to that. Do you have any questions, comments, concerns? You can always email us, give us a phone call, or, of course, find us on social media. Probably the best way to get a hold of us and have us answer your questions. Otherwise, enjoy the cooler weather and enjoy the rain.